Maybe y'all do know, man. Maria's mom, whew. She is an experience, man.
Yeah.
Man, I almost didn't get permission to marry her, man. Almost didn't get permission.
Where you gonna build a house? Here?
No,
You need to be part of the jungle.
this ain't for me out here, man. This ain't for me. I think it's beautiful. I really do, but I'm a city boy.
I used to say that, you know.
But you know, I do. It's not like I don't have experience. Like my grandparents had a farm. You know what I'm saying? In Orwell, Ohio, where Don King's training camp was at.
Oh,
It was
really?
right up the road from Don King's training camp, where the famous Mike Tyson trained.
Wow.
And my aunt worked at Don King's training camp in the kitchen. And so they had a farm, you know, cows, pigs, horses, chickens, all that. You know what I'm saying? So and every summer, my parents used to send us out there because they didn't want us in the streets of Cleveland because of the gangs and the drugs and all that. And then we stopped having to be forced to go out there once we moved.
There's no or something.
Good time to be a pig.
Oh, they wait for us?
Okay, so let's have first couple. Okay, everybody clap your hands. The guy at the right. Okay, great. Okay, so let's have
We got the same color of
principal
dress.
sponsors. So let's